Hey, thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub and supporting the Learn How to Draw Hub family. I'm your host, Nathan Johns. Today we're going to be learning how to draw a cool snow cone. I'm excited. I hope you guys are as well. Now the cool part about today is we can color our snow cone any color we want. Well, I think we're going to have a lot of fun with this one and it's going to be really great. For the first step in making our snow cone, we're going to begin by making a V in the middle of the page. Now at the top of the V we just made, we're going to make one big curved line going from one side to the other. Awesome, great start. Now at the top of the V, we're going to make one line going straight across. Now directly below the line that we made earlier, we're going to make two circles for the eyes of our snow cone. Now at the top of our snow cone, we're going to make a straw coming out. This is how to draw a snow cone. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. Now come color in your snow cone with us.